Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss the Q card from January to April 2025 speaking topics. At IELTS with Pri and Aman, we discuss all the Q cards. To know more about our online classes, please contact on the number given on the screen. So the Q card is: describe an energetic person that you know. You should say who is this person, how you knew this person, why do you think this person is energetic, and explain how you feel about this person. So the answer is: I know many people, both young and old, who are always full of energy. And today I would like to speak about my energetic nephew Dinesh, who is just 12 years old. Moreover, I've known Dinesh since he was born, and it has been amazing to watch him grow into such a dynamic young person. So, dynamic means active. Furthermore, Dinesh is remarkably zealous in so many ways. So, zealous means energetic. He excels at multiple sports, playing both cricket and football with tremendous enthusiasm. Multiple, many. Enthusiasm, energy. After a full day at school, he still has the stamina to attend sports practice and gives it his all on the field. Additionally, what's particularly impressive is how he balances his athletic pursuits with academics. So, pursuits means activities. He maintains outstanding grades while participating in all these activities and is always full of beans. So, full of beans means full of energy. It's an idiom showing a natural drive towards perfection. Okay. Finally, I feel on cloud 9 and incredibly proud of Dinesh as his positive attitude is contagious. Contagious, something that spreads very easily. And he brings a special vibrancy to our family gatherings. So, vibrancy full of life and energy. Watching him grow and channel his energy into productive pursuits makes me excited to see what he will achieve in the future. Okay, so this was the cue card. Describe an energetic person that you know. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.